Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to calculate sample size in clinical research. This is crucial because an incorrect sample size can lead to invalid conclusions, wasted resources, and even ethical concerns. Let's dive in. First things first, what's a sample size? Well, it's simply the number of participants you need to include in your study to ensure reliable results. Too few participants, and your study might lack the power to detect a true effect. Too many, and you may be wasting time and resources. To calculate sample size, you need to know 4 key parameters: the expected effect size, the significance level, the power of the study, and the population variance. Don't worry, I'll break these down. The effect size is a measure of the magnitude of the phenomenon you're studying. For instance, if you're comparing 2 treatments, the effect size would be the difference in outcomes between these treatments. The larger the effect size, the smaller the sample size you'll need. Next, the significance level, often denoted as alpha, is the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it's actually true. Commonly, researchers use a 5% significance level. This means there's a 5% risk of concluding there's an effect when there isn't one. Power is the probability that your study will detect an effect if there is one. Typically, researchers aim for 80% power, meaning an 80% chance of detecting a true effect. Finally, the population variance is the variability within your population. Higher variability means you'll need a larger sample size to detect an effect. Let's run through an example. Imagine you're comparing a new drug to a placebo. You expect a medium effect size of 0.5, want a significance level of 0.05, and aim for 80% power. Plug these numbers into a sample size calculator, and you'll find you need about 64 participants in each group. Remember, this is a simplified explanation. Real-world calculations can be more complex and may require additional considerations. Always consult with a biostatistician to ensure your sample size is appropriate. And that's it. By understanding and calculating the correct sample size, you're taking a crucial step towards conducting reliable and ethical research. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Catch you next time.